Arson's finally here. Only took half a year. It's the slogan. I hate peeking out. It's a red-haired ram. How do you fit my very large lapras in this? It's gotta be like vacuum packed or something. Maybe I'll get in like body pieces at a time, like some hostage situation. Let's see what do you got? What? Oh, there's my wife. Perfect. Oh, dude, it's kapuskt. Great. Now when I order like Uber Eats, I can just send her to the door to pick it up. There. Just leave the food by my maid. She'll make sure I'll get it. What else we got here? Oh, boom! Oh, it's the blue-haired ram. Maybe. What we got else? What else we got? Hey, orange lapras. I mean, they're from Japan. They probably know Pokemon better than I do. Maybe it's part of my lapras. They send me like one lapras kidney at a time or something. Holy shit, it keeps going. It's a big sleepy bread, dude. I'd be caught dead if I didn't have my big sleepy bread. Here you go, ladies. Enjoy. They finally get to eat. All right, what else? Oh, dude, my paper. This is great. So I always wanted to recycle a little bit of paper. Oh, what a treat. Japanese paper. They send me their trash to recycle. Dude, that's just decent of them. That's just decent. What else we got? Oh, yes. It's finally. Oh, dude, this is the best part. It's emptiness. It's a box. Well, the rest of it is full of emptiness, like my heart. No, the last present. The last present is this thing I can put the camera on. Oh, it's. Oh, perfect! I always wanted to die. This is great. Oh, this is great. There. Yeah, we gotta let these ones move in first. Dude, that's cute as fuck. I'll give you one. A quick. Oh! Aye. It's in there. It's inside. Hey, need a hand shot? Oh shit. Oh, that was a joke, actually. I usually masturbate with my own hand. Yo, chat, this is great. You only get one, a quick one. Demonetized.